We'll guide you through how to use Blackbox AI to study. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to understand study materials using Blackbox AI. Many students feel confused about how to enter prompts and generate clear explanations. Step-by-step guidance helps them quickly access information, simplify complex topics, and improve their learning process efficiently. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome by selecting the address bar at the top of the window so you can enter a website address. Next, type blackbox.ai carefully into the address bar. Then, press Enter on your keyboard to open the official Blackbox AI website. Once finished loading, you will automatically be taken to the Blackbox AI homepage. After that, click Home in the upper right corner to make sure you are on the main page of the site. Next, click Sign in the upper right corner to begin accessing your account. Enter your email address in the field provided, making sure it is correct and active. Then, enter your password in the field provided carefully to avoid typing mistakes. Click Login to enter your account, and wait until the dashboard appears completely on your screen. After logging in successfully, click New in the upper left corner to start a new session or project. Next, enter your prompt in the text field provided. For example, explain the material on the solar system in simple terms. Make sure your prompt is clear and specific so the system understands exactly what information you need. After typing your request, click the up arrow icon to start creating the response. Wait patiently while Blackbox AI processes your prompt and generates the explanation. Do not refresh or close the page while the system is working. Once finished, the material you are studying will automatically appear on the screen in text form. Read the explanation carefully to understand the content provided. If needed, you can scroll through the page to review all the information generated. Now you can study the material you are looking for directly from the generated content and use it to support your learning activities.